First time I saw her, it was the summertime. The summertime now. On the surface, she looked so fine, fine, fine. She was asking to see who I was. Said, nah, nah, nah. I wondered what her motive were. She asked me if I was a reggae star, now. If I could show her around the world, around the world. But we play music just to share our love, girl. Said no, 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 no. Can I resist this shot-eyed girl? Because she is a cool operator. Oh yeah, mysterious woman. Just like a mobster or a detective undercover. She's a cool operator. Oh yeah, mysterious woman. Just like a mobster or a detective undercover. One day I saw her walking on the beach down in Waimea. She robbed my brothers from the speech. She's wearing diamonds and she's flashing pearls all around. She's putting me right out of reach. Some guy pulls up inside a fancy car now. She parties with him through the night. But deep inside I know she checks for me. She feels it deeply, but I know it cannot be, because she is a cool operator. Oh yeah, mysterious woman. Just like a mobster or a detective undercover. She is a cool operator. Oh yeah, mysterious woman. Just like a mobster or a detective undercover. The world has changed you. Yes, it's made you since you were a kid. Fills your head with many dreams. That's the life you're living now. Love time, girl, stepping high in a high fashion. Though you try, can be no queen, no roster. Never go. She is a cool operator. Oh yeah, mysterious woman. Just like a mobster or a detective undercover. She is a cool operator. Oh yeah, mysterious woman. Just like a mobster or a detective undercover. The girl was a cool operator. They said the girl was a cool operator. Oh, when she left for Miami and I gonna Jamaica, can't keep away them dreadlocks away from them nata. Still little life of that. She gonna Canada. She living at the province we call British Columbia. Still little life of that. She gonna Africa. She meet the high chief in Nigeria. She was a cool operator.